In this short webinar, I'm going to talk you through how to file your VAT return through your Sage Business Cloud accounting software. Hi, my name's Lorna and I'm the Business Support Manager here at the Corby office of Moore Stephens, East Midlands. From the 1st of April 2019, VAT registered businesses over the VAT threshold, which is currently £85,000, will have to file the VAT returns through computerised software. If you would like to know more about making tax digital and how this might affect you, please see our separate webinar by Tim Woodgate. A link to this is below. Before you can file a VAT return, you'll need to register with HMRC for an online filing account, obtain a user ID and select a password. You must also ensure that your VAT registration number has been entered into Sage. Let's jump into the live software and I'll show you how to do this. From the main menu, select Settings, Accounting Dates and VAT under Financial Settings, and scroll to the bottom. Here you will find all your VAT details. You can enter your VAT scheme, your submission frequency, your VAT number, and your HMRC user ID. Once you've entered all this, select Save. Now to file your VAT return. From the main menu, select Reporting and then VAT Returns. Here you will see a list of all your previous VAT returns. From the right-hand side, click Create VAT Return. In the VAT period from box, enter the start of your VAT period and enter the end period in the to box. Ensure you click Calculate to update these details. In the report below, you will find your VAT return. For a detailed breakdown of what makes up each box, from the top, select Detailed Report. This can be generated as a CSV file or a PDF. If you select PDF, it can take a few minutes to generate. On this report, you'll get a breakdown of what makes up each box on your VAT return. Once you're happy with the figures on your VAT return, from the right-hand side, select Submit Online to the Government Gateway. Your HMRC user ID and VAT registration number should automatically be entered for you, and all you have to do is enter your password. Select Save. A confirmation message at the bottom of your screen should let you know that your VAT return has been filed successfully. And your VAT return should now say Submitted to HMRC along with today's date and time. I hope you have found this useful. For more information about making tax digital, visit www.moorestephens.co.uk. And thank you for watching.